In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious pepperoni pizza bite recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need store-bought pizza dough, pepperoni slices, mozzarella cubed into 1 inch, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of garlic salt. Brush the bottom of the bowl with olive oil. Add our pizza dough to the bowl. Brush the top of the pizza dough with olive oil. Cover with a towel and let rest for 20 minutes. Take our dough out onto a floured surface and roll it into a large rectangle. Cut the rectangle into square shapes. Add 2 slices of pepperoni to each dough square. Add a cheese cube in the center of the pepperoni. Top the cheese cubes with the 1 extra slice of pepperoni. Pinch the ends together of the square at the bottom to form a ball shape. Brush a baking pan with olive oil. Add in the pizza bites. Brush the tops with olive oil. Sprinkle with the garlic salt. Cover with a towel and rest for 20 minutes. Bake in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Let cool completely for 20 minutes. Our pepperoni pizza bites are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.